Okay, so it's a pretty exciting day. As you can see, the water feature is fully functional behind me. Our previous visits to the site, we were showing you how we were redoing the irrigation and the plumbing side of things. And while that was happening, we had the artist who was getting the deck finished up. Actually, the deck came from some wood that we had milled from a redwood tree at a local site. We had milled the wood, brought it over to John and Peter, the artist. They were able to reinstall the deck, put a new trough tank down there, repaint all the metal, fixed the overflow, and now it's all fully functional as originally designed. So it's really exciting to see it all come together. Peter, the artist, is here, seeing it all work now. Really excited to be a part of this team. Let's go enjoy it.
I guess it's all about recycling. This is an amazing facility. Household hazardous waste is the place to dump off stuff that you don't need anymore. This is about reuse too. A lot of water that hits the roof. It did just go into the city sewage system, but now it goes into this tank, and the tank irrigates the olive tree. The way I think about it is it's sort of a tension between what people want and what people need. And a lot of people wanted stuff that ended up here because they didn't really need it. But we all need food.
I work with the Office of Cultural Affairs. This is one of our artworks in the public art collection. And last year, Bay Maples reached out to us and they were very interested in the olive grove and the whole irrigation aspect of the artwork. And that's what started this restoration project. It's been around for several years, and this is the first time we've been able to do a major restoration for the piece. It took a little bit of time. Luckily, we had Bay Maples to help us figure out the irrigation aspect to it, but it was also kind of going back and figuring out how the piece works because we weren't involved with the original installation, so just learning about how it's all put together so that we can actually address some of the issues that we found.
Oh, wow.